Now, here in reported statement, say and said is the most common used verb in the reporting statement. So here example you see, Rahul said, I will do my best in examination. So here when it is comes under direct speech, so it is an indirect speech. So here you see, Rahul said that, when comma and apostrophe is there, that has been mentioned here. Okay, so here Rahul said, I will do my best in the examination. So here indirect speech, Rahul said that, here comma apostrophe is changes to that, I changes to he, will changes to would. So he would do his best. My best means his best in the examination. So here next you see, say to or said to is used when the listener is mentioned and they are changed into tell or told. So here you example you see, so here comma and apostrophe are there, means here it is a direct speech. So here it is means it is indirect speech. So here you see, Ravi said to Ram, you are troubling me a lot. So here Ravi said to has been changed to told. So Ravi told to Ram that he was troubled. Trouble is one. Here troubled means changes to him. So troubled him a lot. Now here the uses of the conjunction that. So here how that is used in the reported speech. So here you see, the clauses, the conjunction that is used between the principal class, or we can call it as main class, and the subordinate class, but that is the optional is spoken form, in spoken form, and with the verbs referring simply to the act of saying or thinking, say, tell, think. So this all comes under as, so that we used as an optional form. How you say here is Shakespeare says. Okay, so here he is, it is here he is only saying no, so it comes under direct. So here main class is used, so it is independent, so it has class as, we can call it as main class or principal class. So what he says, that talkers are not good donors, so that comes under subordinate class. So here that is used, so it comes under subordinate class. So here that is used after verb which gives more information, such as explain, complain, reply, shout, etc. So you see with one example. So here a North Indian friend of mine said, unlike in Delhi, the climate in Hyderabad is moderate. So whenever you see comma and apostrophe, that you think that it is, the sentence is in a direct speech. So when it comes to indirect speech, a North Indian friend of mine. So here saying no, said is changed to explain or complain or reply. So here complain. So here he giving remark. Remarked that unlike in Delhi, climate is Hyderabad. Here is changes to was moderate.